Here's the second part for the counter project that I was doing. As you can see, I've put everything into enclosure and I've got it working. As you can see here, it's reading 6.2914. As you can see, 6.292. So I need to set it up. If I can change it here. There we go. No, that's in kilohertz. No, there we go, 6.29. Yeah, I need to tweak it a little bit. I've put a ovenized oscillator here, but I haven't connected it yet. I need to read the data sheet for the chip to see what I need to do for if I'm using an external oscillator. This is the circuitry inside. As you can see here, we've got 8 for driving 8 LEDs. I've got a little voltage regulator here, LM317, to drive the 5V for this and for the control circuitry at the front. I'm just using the chassis of the enclosure for a heatsink. Got a little potentiometer to set the voltage. I've got a switch mode power supply here. It's giving me 12 volts at 2 amps. I don't need obviously that much, but yeah, that's what I thought. I'd just use a switch mode because I've got a lot of them around instead of using a linear one. And that's it. As you can see here, much better than reading LED displays. Okay, so 6.29 there, 6.291, 6.2. See if I can change things around. There we go, that is just settling now, so it's reading 6.290. There we go, 6.290. This got one extra digit to that one, so that's got 4. This got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically. So if you just don't read up to there, yeah, it just jumped one now. 6.3 is reading. I think that counter over there, it hasn't warmed up yet, basically. So the display and the thing inside might be reading differently. But as I said, I'm going to change the oscillator on this because I'm just going to use an ovenized oscillator, so I think it will improve the stability and the accuracy of it greatly. So this is the second part, and as you can see, I'm nearly finished. I just need to sort the oscillator out, the ovenized oscillator basically out, and that'll be it. And this is the cover for it, as you can see here. I'm just going to put the cover on, and it's going to go greatly. I think in between here, I think somewhere there. I've got another Nixi tube there, so I might just change it with that basically. And that's it. So another project nearly finished. Well, I've just got to call it actually quits because it is finished. I'm just gonna see. This is it, and there, and that is the enclosure for it. So I hope this has been useful to someone. If you want to mod anything, you know, if you got a counter or voltmeter or anything that's got 7-segment LEDs, you can change them back into whatever you want. You can change them back to LCD. You can change it into a Nixi tube or whatever display type that you want. So this project is helped me a lot to understand how EEPROMs work. I never used EEPROMs before. How to drive Nixi tubes. Basically everything that I've done here is the first time. Basically I've never tried this before, so I've learned a lot during this process, and hopefully I'll see I can change things around. Actually, I do have something else here that I might, if I can grab it from here under my desk. I got all the rubbish here. This is what we got. We got the Tektronix voltmeter, and what is using? It's using 7-segment display. So I might in the future change this into Nixi tubes. As you can see here, might change this into next YouTube as well, but that's for future projects. At the moment I'm happy with this. So another project finished. Goodbye.